Aloha and welcome to our newest listing in Pearl City. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, and you know what the best part is? It's got a VA assumable ready for you. So if you are looking to assume a house with a 3.625 interest rate and a mortgage under $1,900, this is the one for you. If you don't know what a VA assumable is and you have served in the military, please reach out to me and I'd love to discuss how that part works. All right, so as we take a look at this property, you have an amazing lanai to go out and to enjoy our Hawaii weather, sunshine, and make it feel a little bit more open. This property has LVP flooring going throughout, and one of the best parts is it has just undergone a remodel for the kitchen. So you have these up-to-date, really tall cabinets that are the gray. So nice, new, and soft close too. You also have a newer refrigerator. The home has been professionally cleaned. And just look at this, for a small kitchen, it is so functional with all of the cabinet space, and you have a double sink. All right, come on along. You have more cabinet here. I think I would use this like as a pantry and extra storage. Got your water heater in here, and then a generous sized bedroom. I really love how light and airy the floors look. You do have the jalousie windows, so a little bit older style Hawaiian windows. And then we're gonna continue on. There is one full bath in this property. And then we have more storage. If you're living in a condo in Hawaii, you know that storage just comes at a premium. And then we have the primary bedroom. This room is a little bit bigger. Again, light, airy, ideal for those that are commuting to like Joint Base Pearl Harbor, Fort Schaffner. If you work or live in Aiea, Pearl City, this has got super close interstate access for wherever you need. We've got all kinds of amenities nearby. So you've got Ulta and movies and shopping. We have the mall. We have plenty of eateries, both local and chain food. So this is a great spot to be. And with a mortgage under $1,900, you just can't beat it. Mahalo.